Almost all type of examinations are over. Results are out. Admission processes have started. Now students are actually in the mid of a decision, a dilemma. What should I do? Should I take admission into tier 2, tier 3 colleges and should settle with that? Or should I give myself one more chance? Should I give my best shot once again? And can I get into IIT or NIT or dream college like BITS Pilani or VIT? So sir, what should I do right now? So this is the major question which is lingering in the minds of several aspirants. But do not worry, in this video I'm gonna clear all your confusion and give you a clarity by which you can definitely choose the best solution for you. So watch it from beginning till the end. So first of all, let's talk about this major problem. Students have actually appeared in several type of examinations. They did their best performance. They worked hard, but is it really worth it to take a drop for one more year to start their preparation once again from the scratch and undergo the same process? Is it worth giving 1 year? So see, actually it differs from perspective to perspective. If you are really ready and if you are honest with yourself and you know better that definitely you can make it happen, even though there are a lot of challenges which are present before you and you are not scared of all these things. But yes, if you have that kind of self-belief in you that you are going to do anyhow in spite of all these situations and scenarios that are existing around you, so definitely once again also you are going to make it against all the odds. But if you know really that it is not your cup of tea, you can actually even do well by choosing the tier 2 or tier 3 colleges, then obviously the options and avenues are still there in front of you. You can go ahead with those things and definitely it is going to save you one entire year. It is not gonna get waste. But yes, choice is ultimately which is you have to make at this moment. So this is the most important and critical point that you must keep in mind while you are making the decision. And remember that the most important thing that matters is that the voice that is existing within us, that inner self voice, it is going to guide us clearly through this path, through this journey of 1 year. Remember that 1 year definitely matters the most. If you are honest with you, if you know something is there which is going to which is even larger than you, which is your dream, then definitely nobody is stopping you from chasing it. The way is, the path is open and it is very very wide, and yes, sky is the limit. Definitely you can chase your dreams and you can get into the top colleges by working hard. But remember that that decision is going to take a lot of guts, and yes, that 1 year is something that is going to bother you from time to time on periodic basis, when you will do that kind of comparative studies along with your peers, along with your friends who have also studied with you in class 12th. But when you will see them, they are actually getting ahead of you. They are studying right now in the college, they are enjoying a lot. So that actually, that thought must not bother you. If you are ready to live with all these challenges, all these kind of varying thoughts, then definitely you can choose this path of hardship. And yes, ultimately, if you really work hard with proper clarity, with proper direction and guidance, definitely you can make the best of this entire 1 year of this drop year. And yes, you can get into top colleges. That thing, if you are not bothered with this. But yes, if you are bothered with this, if you are getting distracted with all kind of excuses that exist, then definitely mark my words that nothing can save you, nothing can help you. Even after wasting one more year also, you are going to regret. So the opportunity is right now in front of you. The decision is right now in front of you. You have to ask yourself, are you ready for this? Are you ready to make that mark? Are you ready for the upcoming challenge of sustaining, for surviving in this 1 year? And if you survive, if you sustain this, definitely you can rock your dream, you can rock the entire performance and yes, that 1 year will going to change your entire life. But yes, that thing is something that you must decide as of this moment. You must not listen to any kind of noise around you. There are several people, different people giving you different opinion, different advices, but nothing should bother you. You should remain unaffected by all these kind of distractions which are around you. Eliminate all the noises. Focus on the one most important thing, your inner voice. You should listen to your gut feeling. What is actually telling you this is something you should believe in. Remember this, the time once passed, it is not going to come back. And if somewhere you feel that, sir, I do not want to once again go through this entire journey, I want to go ahead with these tier 2, tier 3, or whatever is the best choice right now you are getting, definitely you can follow your inner voice. That is also a good thing. But ultimately, whatever choice you make, remember that you have to work hard. You have to work hard diligently. There is no substitute for hard work. And yes, hard work should come with the smart work. Proper strategy, clarity, and planning will be followed by all these things. And remember that if you are mature enough to make this decision with clarity, nothing can stop you from achieving many, many milestones in your upcoming life. Life is really providing you this great opportunity, and this, whatever choice are you making right now, it is going to transform your life entirely. So yes, certainly believe in yourself, believe in your instinct, believe in your conviction, and yes, definitely you are going to make the best out of your this one decision that is going to change your entire life. With this, I will sign off. Thank you, Jai Hind. God bless.